So for today's video guys, mag-unbox kami ng Pokemon Unova Scarlet Violet Black and White Bolt Flare. Ito pala yun guys. So papakita ko sa inyo sa isang clip kung anong mapupul natin. Nagtanong-tanong ako sa kaibigan ko. So guys, ready? Yan, kasama ko pala yung anak ko. So, marami po siyang card sa loob. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tas may ano na siya na mga cards dito. Tas sa kabila din 6. So, simulan na natin. Saan ka nakukuha mo? Ayan na lang yan. Ito muna. Oh. Ay. Parang kailangan natin ng gunting. Nasa baba. Ay, energy card. Ay, ito pala. Energy card. Samurott. Tama. Next. Sana yung gunting. Tandaanin lang natin. Tama. Scarlet Violet. Ay, ano to? Ba't makintab? Heart stamp bubat. Makintab siya eh. Hindi siya kagaya sa iba. Tingnan mo na. Walang ano.
Oh, yeah, this one? It's not the same as the other one.
Ito si Ancient Wing Rock Crow. Look.
Whoa. It's like the same thing as this one.
No. It's different. Look at, it's like a full art, silver.
This one's silver too.
No, but look at this. It's a full art.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, ito yung na-pull natin.
Just now. Was that a full art?
Yeah, one full art.
Pretty stuff. Look. That is not it. So many cards. But it's 16. No.
Wala.
What?
What's this?
What?
The Nobody Slam.
What? What?
So guys, comment down below kung may nabunot ba akong maganda. Tapos ito. Ay,
It's like gold.
energy na parang ito. Joltik.
What?
What's this? Harley Quinn.
Just like single pieces.
Ano kaya yan?
We got two beds. Oh, there. Let's see. Let's see.
You have only one full art, right?
And we got two of these, I think. Yeah, it's the same thing. Look. That.
Hmm. Ito parang makinang siya. Prism Energy. Tabi nga natin yan. Lo, ano to?
What is a B sharp? Yeah.
Tapos isang basic energy na naman na makinang.
Oh.
4 more guys, 4 more. Sana may pa-pull tayong maganda.
You need to get Charizard.
Kubal yun. White Scarlet. Black Bolt. 3 more. Oh, 4 more to go mo. 4 pa pala.
Because the first one was like 5.
Oh, makinan siya. Ito wala eh. Lardos. Yung. Comment nyo lang guys ha pag may napull akong maganda.
Charizard.
Ito. Silver ah. Fennel. Parang meron ako kanito kanina. Ah, ito.
Guess she's sick.
Ito guys. Last one.
That's it.
Energy coin. Electros.
This is stage 2. Look at the back. Look at the back.
Axos. The full art.
Again. 2.
Okay, yun lang po.